Doing wildlife trips, not an organized one, but self-driven ones. And so when I got this reference, I said, okay, let's try. And since I was getting good vibes and good reports, so why not try? So decided to go for it. And then Rick also said, okay, I'll accompany you. So that was a bonanza. Generally, he's quite a busy person, not giving much time.
I've done a few safaris before, and all of them were with him. But it's this last few years I've been a little busy with work. But then when he mentioned this safari, I was like, yeah, it's time for a little bit of a change. And I feel like one of the similarities that the two of us have is that we are always desperate to leave Mumbai whenever we get the chance. So and also because my mom was not she wasn't able to come for this trip, I was like, fine, it's been a while since the two of us have done a trip together. So I was like, fine, let's give this a go.
Kanha, the jungle itself has so much of energy. It has so much of vibe to it. It's lush green. It's fresh. There is some kind of positivity to it. And whenever it's something like when you think of jungle, if someone asks you to describe a jungle, then I think Kanha jungle will be the first thing that will come to my mind to express it.
Wonderful, very nice. The zones, Kanha was especially beautiful. I really loved the grasslands, the meadows, the sal jungle. Beautiful, very nice. And the rain, it was the first time I had come in the rains, and sighting the tiger in the rain was a different experience.
Birds that I can recall are kingfisher, Indian roller, a variety of vultures and eagles, and then the spotted deer, then we had sambar, and definitely the barasinga.
Eagles, vultures, which were really nice, and deers, a lot of deer.
So this was something really interesting. We were waiting on the road. We just saw a DJ female tigress crossing the road, and we had amazing sighting, amazing photographs and everything. We just went ahead a little bit, and there was this langur calling, and it was so weird and it was so interesting that he was eating the leaves and at the same time he was giving calls. We were looking around कि यार ये क्या कर रहा है? And तभी मेरी नज़र पड़ती है, then I felt like this is something. I told Shashank that is that a tiger, and he looked in the binoculars and he said, yeah, it is a tiger. And that was a very, very surprising, very interesting sighting for me.
The surprising sighting for us, for me at least, was MB3. Suddenly when she came so close, it was very nice, wonderful. I could see it very closely, yeah.
Good actually. It's a little away from the busy. There are many hotels on the near the safari, the entrance and all. But this is one isolated place, very green, nice, clean, and I spotted a lot of insect species. And I have to say this: the fireflies just behind our room. The entire tree is full of fireflies. Maybe it's the timing, but beautiful, beautiful. It's like the stars twinkling in the sky. I really liked the experience.
Yeah, nice, quaint place, and it's like it fits into the overall jungle safari. I think that's summit. You don't require too much of fancy stuff, and nice people, always taking care of whatever we were asking. They've been asking. Very nice people, and food was also pretty good
Yeah.
out here. Yeah.
And they also served one local dish every meal, which was really nice. Whether that be non-veg, veg, food. It was really good.
The driver Pradeep, I would say he was just, if I would have been at his place, I would react exactly the same, because he was so, he felt every loss of tiger sighting so personal that it was like, shit यार ये कुछ करना था यार, ये कर देते, वो कर देते. So yeah, and the guides all were very much informative and knowledgeable. Yeah, all were good.
Pradeep was very nice, knowledgeable, and taking care to position the jeep so that we could photograph things properly. And being locals, the guide of course added to the the whole thing by having a first-hand knowledge of the tigers and their particular behavior and movements. So the combination was very good.
First time with Shashank and Wilderlust is, I think it's not the last time, and we always during the trip we have been inquiring, at least I've been inquiring, what next, where next. So maybe it will converge, and as I said, it will not be the last one.
I would say we are like light enthusiasts. We like going for safaris and like taking pictures of like animals and stuff like that. But the moment you have someone who has a very deep insight about these sort of things, and not just deep insight, I guess, excited about all of these little things, it kind of adds to the whole experience, which is always nice to have.
Always been great. I said that even before, and I'm going to repeat it. I travel solo, especially for the safaris. I find it very safe here, and the way he keeps all the guests involved, especially, for example, any birder on the group, he will make sure that he will also spot birds. I like insect and butterflies. He makes sure that we stop. He will let me click pictures, and he take everybody as a group, and that's one thing that I really appreciate.
An amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.